All right, so in this lesson, we are going to solve a system of equations. So solve a system of equation or systems of equations using substitution. So we're going to use a substitution method, a different one. I like to refer to this one as y equals because we're going to make something say y equals. So example 1, 2x plus 3y equals 6 and 3x plus 6y equals 15. So it doesn't matter which form they start in, as long as we make one say y equals. I mean, you could say slope-intercept form, but as long as it says y equals, like, we're for the most part fine. So I'm going to make this one right here say y equals. So 2x plus 3y equals 6. Let's subtract 2x from both sides. And I get 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Now I'm going to divide by 3. Divide by 3. I get y equals, and I get negative 2 over 3x. Well, let's back up for a moment. So that was a negative over positive was a negative. 2 over 3 is 2 over 3, right? Positive over positive is a positive. 6 over 3 is a 2. So right here, we have y equals, I can do a little better. Okay. We have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2 for this equation. So I'm going to take, well, let's do this first. I'm going to take this y and put it and substitute it in for that y. You can't put this into itself. You can't put this equation into the same equation. You have to put it into the other one. So if I made this one say y equals, I'll put the y into this one. Okay? So 3x plus 6, and I'll put y equals 15. And instead of y, I want to put all this right here. So I'll just show you as I write it. It might be easier if I write it this way first. So 3x plus 6. Ooh, I know what I should do. Point this way. Okay. So 3x plus 6. So 3x plus 6. And instead of the y, I'm going to substitute in negative 2/3 x plus 2. And I should get, or it should be equal to 15. So right here, 3x plus 6 times this y right here, negative 2/3 x plus 2. So now I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to write 3x first. So positive times a negative is a negative. 6 times 2 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. A positive times a positive is a positive. 6 times 2 is 12. And will equal 15. And so let's combine like terms before we solve. So 3x minus 4x is negative 1x plus 12 equals 15. And then I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. I get negative 1x equals 15 minus 12 is 3. Then divide by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. And I get x equals, positive divided by negative is a negative. All right, so I did all that just to get the x. I still have to plug the negative 3 in for x and substitute it in for either one of those. Remember, it doesn't matter which one. So x is negative 3. I'm going to use this equation. I don't know. I like it. So 2x plus 3y equals 6. And for the x, I'm going to substitute in negative 3. So I will get 2 times negative 3. 2 times negative 3 plus 3y equals 6. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Oh, I should go further down. And then I will add 6 to both sides because I'm solving for y. And I get positive 3y equals 12. Divide by 3. And y, too far away, y equals 4. And, so my solution will be negative 3, comma, well, let me just write it in pink. So my solution to my system will be negative 3, positive 4. little things, right? So the solution to this system of equations is negative 3, positive 4. This means that negative 3, comma 4 makes both equations true. Visually, both lines will intersect. Both lines of solutions will intersect at this point. All right, so let me copy these down. So this one's 2x plus 3y equals 6, and the other one is 3x plus 6y equals 15. Now remember, the solution, the common solution that they have is negative 3, comma 4. So I will put negative 3 there and 4 there, and negative 3 in for x, and positive 4 in for y. Negative 3 in for x, positive 4 for y. I'm going to write these out, but I'll do the math separately. So 2 times negative 3 plus 3 times 4 equals 6. And 3 times negative 3 plus 6 times 4 equals 15. Oh, wrong color. Making mistakes. So 3 times negative 3 plus 6 times 4 equals 15. All right, I'm going to do the math separately now. So remember, this x and y should make both of them true. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Positive times positive is a positive 12. And negative 6 plus 12, I'm actually going to write that so people don't think it's a b. Plus 12 equals 6. And negative 6 plus 12 is, in fact, positive 6. So the left side is equal to the right side. Now, we have 3 times negative. So a positive times a negative is a negative. A positive times a positive is a positive, 24. And that should equal 15. And negative 9 plus 24, 24 minus 9 is in fact 15. All right, cool, not too bad. Let's look at the special cases, see what would happen there.